Hey, so today we're looking at Activity 3 from the Concord Consortium STEM resource stuff. And let me show you how to get into it. So you're going to say log in. You're going to use your school Gmail. I'm using a different one because I'm logged in as a student this way. Okay, so then you're going to get into this main screen. Go here, say run by myself. And if you do not end up where you need to be, like I'm kind of in a random spot here, go to this menu and you're going to go to 3. What effect do charged objects have on uncharged objects? That's our topic for the day. So click on that. It starts you at the beginning. I'm going to just run through the stuff you need to know with this real quick, and then you'll have a chance to do it. We have a video coming out that has the actual demonstrations so you can see how this stuff looks. But I just want to show you how the Concord stuff works. So I'm going to say begin activity. Takes me to page 1 here. These 2 questions are just to get your brain thinking. What do you think will happen if 2 uncharged or neutral objects are brought close together? Remember, we've been thinking about those magnetic charges as far as magnets, but also as far as that tape that kind of repelled when it was the same and wanted to stick together when it was opposites. So now we're talking about uncharged objects. What do you think is going to happen if 2 uncharged objects are brought close together? And what do you think will happen if a charged object is brought close to a neutral object? And spoiler alert, if you want to check back and see what you did before, if you go into activity 2 and you say simulations help us explore and understand, there's a model there. That's where you can find those magnets. So you can play with those if you want to look back at that. Okay, so once you've done that, you hit submit or next. Go to page 2. Okay, before you do this, I want you to watch the video that shows this demonstration. So pause this, go watch that video, and then come back to this. We're going to skip forward to the next page. So this is another demonstration. You can write right in this table when you get your data here. We're looking for simple yes/no answers here. And then a short, easy description there. This is where you're going to take a snapshot of that table. So once it is all filled in, there it goes in there. Done. Cancel. Okay. So then question there, what do you think is going to happen if a charged object is brought close to a neutral one? Okay, next page here. Do the reading later. We'll come back to that in a little bit. Start this. We are going to get into this in class also, so if you are not sure specifically how to do stuff in here, that's okay, but get as far as you can with it. So here we're going to make a drawing. So you used this drawing tool before, but I want to show you for sure so you know how to do this. If you want a straight line, you can use this one, but if you want to do squiggles, like 2 tape strips that might be repelling each other, you can use this pencil tab right here. So I don't need really pretty drawings, I just need things that look like strips of tape. So that's fine. Okay, you're going to make another drawing there. So with this one, why the bottle? So you should start including things that show the charges on the objects. So let me come back here because I said just make something like this, but I also want to see what are those charges like? So for example, maybe you think that these both have a positive charge and that's why they're repelling. So then you would do a positive thing like that. Or if you thought they were both negative, or if one was positive and one was negative, just show your positives and negatives with simple drawings like that. Okay? So same thing here, you're going to show where those charges are on one and on the other. Are they the same charges or are they different charges? What do you think? And I have to scooch this up, move it over a little bit. Okay, and that is the end of that lesson. So now that you've got all those things done, now you can go into the reading and do that part.